major concerns of the office is that EWBD has no counterpart office in the regional and division DepEd offices. The programs on welfare and benefits are being performed by the regional and division office staff as additional functions. As an interim solution, the regional and division offices are allowed to hire on a job order or contract of service status one staff who will attend to the requirements of the Provident Fund, which is one of the welfare programs of the department being implemented by the EWBD. As I have mentioned, the interim solution of hiring one staff to attend to the concerns of Provident Fund was suggested to the National Board of Trustees, which they eventually approved. The long-term solution is to propose in the DepEd rationalization plan the inclusion of additional staff in the regional and division offices who will be in charge of employees' welfare and benefits program. We have worked to provide additional staff in the EWBD to make the office more efficient in addressing the needs of its clienteles. Initially, we had taken staff on detail and we filled up vacant positions. The next step is to provide additional training for these staff to enhance their skills and knowledge. We are collaborating and coordinating closely with the SDD, Staff Development Division, HRDS, for the available training programs for our staff. We have to justify to proper authorities the need to fill up vacant positions in the office. It is only this year that additional staff were added. To date, we're still waiting for the implementation of the rationalization plan. Hopefully, with its implementation in the near future, the concern of the office with regard to its organizational structure and complementing staff will be taken care of. We have to be patient due to the fact that change in a system or in an organization can be done abruptly. With additional manpower, services offered by the EWBD have shown marked improvements. It has become more effective and efficient in terms of service to its clientele. Emphasis is also now given to other projects of the office which were not implemented before due to the lack of personnel to handle these activities. EWBD has to be constantly aware of the present and emerging needs of the teachers and non-teaching employees of DepEd. An example of this need is the concern of the teachers and non-teaching employees on their current condition brought by natural disasters. EWBD has to address this concern by providing calamity loans to affected and qualified clienteles. Another important concern is the need for provision of respectable shelters for qualified DepEd employees, and the office is actively coordinating with the government, with Pag-ibig Fund, with the local government units, the non-government organizations, private sectors, and private developers to address this.